What's up guys? In today's quick guide, I'm going to show you how to send money on Revolut Junior. For the first step, open the Revolut app. Log into your parents' or guardian Revolut account. Remember, only adults can top up a Revolut Junior account. For the second step, add funds to Revolut Junior. Go to the Junior section in your Revolut app. Tap Add Money. Enter the desired amount and confirm the transfer. A little tip, you can also deposit money into your main Revolut account via bank transfer first, then move it to the Junior account. Step 3. Child sends money if enabled. Your child can transfer money to other Revolut Kids and Teens accounts, but only with parental approval. They open the Payments tab in their Junior app. Tap New, then select a contact or enter recipient details. Enter the amount and confirm the payment. You, the parent, will receive a notification and need to approve the transaction before it's completed. Step 4. Check limits and controls. Always check the spending and transfer limits set on the Revolut Junior accounts. These limits are designed to keep minors safe and comply with legal requirements. Step 5. Monitor transactions. Parents can review all activity in real time through their Revolut app, ensuring the Junior account is used safely and responsibly. Important note, this guide follows Revolut's official policies and complies with legal standards. All transactions are supervised and approved by parents or guardians. It does not support any unauthorized or fraudulent activity and respects YouTube's terms of service. And that would be all for today's quick guide. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.